Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best broccoli sprout kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to boost your health, and it's easier than you think. Today, we're diving deep into this amazing kit, exploring its features, and showing you how it can revolutionize your diet. Get ready to discover how simple it is to grow your own nutrient-packed sprouts at home, saving money and enjoying fresh, healthy greens every day. Let's get started. Number 5. Homegrown broccoli seeds 8 ounces. These premium broccoli seeds are perfect for sprouting. You can harvest nutrient-rich sprouts in just 5 days. It's packed with sulforaphane and antioxidants. These organic broccoli sprout seeds are sourced from the USA, ensuring freshness. They are non-GMO and deliver consistent results. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced growers. These organic broccoli sprouts are a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals. They are packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and iron. Boost your daily meals with this living nutrition. These seeds are perfect for both microgreens and sprouting. You can easily grow them indoors year-round. No soil is required for sprouts, making it easy to grow on your kitchen counter. Our organic sprouting seeds are tested for purity and performance. The fresh sealed packaging preserves seed viability. Detailed growing instructions are included, ensuring healthy eating. What we like. This product promises a quick turnaround, delivering fresh sprouts in just 5 days. It's packed with sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant. If you're looking for a fast and easy way to add nutrient-rich sprouts to your diet, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want fresh sprouts quickly. What people say. I couldn't believe how fast they sprout. I usually see them sprouting in 2 to 3 days. Sprouts really quick and the quality seems really good. These seeds expand and grow beautifully. Number 4. Sprouting Jar Kit, grow organic sprouts at home. With this kit, growing your own sprouts is easy. It allows you to grow organic broccoli, alfalfa, and more right at home. The package includes a sprouter mason jar, a sprouting lid, and a stand. You can start growing your favorite sprouts as soon as you get it. Simply add seeds and water, and you'll have everything you need to grow sprouts and microgreens at home. It's a convenient way to eat healthy. This jar kit is not only for sprouting, but also for family decor. The jars can be used for storage as well. It is an interesting addition for every home. Choose your beans or seeds and soak them for 8 to 12 hours. Then, put them into the jar. The kit provides sufficient ventilation and drainage for successful sprouting. Made of food-grade stainless steel and glass, the ring, mesh, rack, and jar are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. This makes it safe to use and easy to clean. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to start sprouting at home. It's designed for easy use, making it simple to grow your own sprouts. If you're a beginner or want a simple, all-in-one solution, this kit is ideal. It's great for those who want a convenient and versatile sprouting setup. What people say. The stand to place the jar on is adjustable so you can control the angle the jar rests at. I have had no issues with the mesh screen and it fits perfectly and allows water to drain out while also allowing airflow. Exactly what I was looking for. Clean and easy to use. No soil in my kitchen to mess around with. The size is perfect because you have lots of options to grow a little or a lot at a time. Extremely easy to clean. Number 3. Handy Pantry Broccoli Sprout Growing Kit. This premium kit includes everything you need to grow your own broccoli sprouts. It comes with a mason jar, a stainless steel sprouting lid, seeds, and a stand. It's a complete solution for healthy, homegrown sprouts. The kit features certified organic, non-GMO broccoli sprouting seeds. These seeds are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are a great source of sulforaphane. The sprouting lid is made of medical-grade stainless steel. It's designed to be larger and more durable than standard lids. You can boil and sterilize it after each use. The kit includes instructions for successful hydroponic sprouting. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, this kit will help you grow delicious sprouts. It guides you through soaking, draining, and harvesting. The product and seeds are proudly sourced and based in the USA. The company is committed to providing high-quality, organic, and non-GMO products. They are dedicated to sustainability and responsibility. What we like. This kit includes organic, non-GMO seeds and a durable stainless steel lid. The lid is designed to last and is easy to clean. If you prioritize organic options and long-lasting quality, this kit is perfect for you. It's ideal for those who want a reliable and healthy sprouting experience. What people say. The wide mouth jar, the stainless steel ring, and the patented curved mesh screen. Better drainage and airflow, which will be better for sprouting. Complete instructions are provided, which is just great, and you get a starter pack of broccoli seeds to begin your sprouting career. Number 2. Nature Jim's Organic Broccoli Seeds. Want fresh, healthy sprouts? These seeds from Nature Jim's are perfect for growing broccoli sprouts indoors or outdoors. You can enjoy nutritious sprouts in no time. These non-GMO, organic broccoli sprout seeds are known for their high quality. They are ideal for growing nutrient-rich broccoli sprouts right at home, ensuring you get the best. These seeds sprout quickly, in just 5 days. You can enjoy fresh, crunchy broccoli sprouts fast. It's perfect for those who want healthy microgreens quickly. Packed with sulforaphane, these organic broccoli sprouts boost your defense system. They also promote healthy digestion for overall wellness. Enjoy the power of nature with every sprout. Nature Jim's has been providing premium organic sprouting seeds for almost 60 years. They have confidence in their product, ensuring the quality of their broccoli sprout seeds. What we like. This product features swift-growing seeds that sprout in just 5 days. It's packed with sulforaphane, offering numerous health benefits. If you want a quick and easy way to grow nutritious sprouts, this is the perfect option. It's great for those who want fresh sprouts quickly. What people say. The kit is easy to use. The sprouts grew quickly. The design of the kit is very good. Number 1. Sprouting Jar Kit, Wide Mouth Mason Jars. This kit has everything you need to grow your own fresh sprouts at home. It includes wide mouth mason jars, sprout lids, a drip tray, and a stainless steel stand. Seeds are not included, but this set makes sprouting easy. The sprouting lids are made of rust-proof, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability. The stand is also stainless steel, and the growing tray is dishwasher-safe plastic. You don't have to worry about it breaking. The stand is expertly designed for optimal airflow and drainage, which is key for successful sprouting. The tray collects the drained water, and the stand provides stability for the jars. This design helps the seeds sprout efficiently. The wide-mouth mason jars make it easy to remove the sprouts, and the screens keep the seeds inside. It's perfect for sprouting various seeds, such as broccoli, alfalfa, and beans. It's a convenient way to grow sprouts. Sprouts are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Growing sprouts can be a fun family activity, offering a great experience for everyone. Enjoy the process and the healthy results. What we like. This set includes 2 jars, stainless steel lids, a drip tray, and a stand. The materials are durable and designed for efficient drainage. If you're looking for a complete and efficient sprouting setup, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a comprehensive and easy-to-use kit. What people say. The broccoli sprouts grew quickly and were very tasty. The kit is easy to use. The design of the kit is well thought out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.